Today we're going to fix the brake light 2004 Honda Odyssey. One brake light bulb is broken. Open this one to stick out the two screws. Just use a flat screwdriver. What, there it is. Just take it out using your hands when it's loose and shake it a little bit, and it comes out very easily. Just take out the bulb and replace with a new one. I bought this in a Honda dealership. It cost $5. This only takes less than 5 minutes to replace it. And let's check it out if it's working or not. And it works. Make sure to like and subscribe if this one helps you. See you next time, you dig?